Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video I am going to talk about how to download and install Black Myth Wukong on PC. So here you can see this is not a free gaming, it's you just need to purchase it. So you just need to open your Steam account. Here you can see this is the Steam. Once you come over here, that place you just need to search this Black Myth Wukong. Once you search it, then you will get the game on that place. Here you can see that Black Myth Wukong. You just need to click over here. Once you click over here, from that place you will get to see something like this. You just need to click on view page. Please enter a valid date. Okay, please enter your birth date to continue. Okay, the game may contain content not appropriate for all ages. You may. Okay, you just need to provide your birth date in here. So let me give it my one, and then just click view page. Once I click over here, then it will be open. So from that place I just need to be add to cart this one. So once it purchase this game, you are now able to install it in your PC. The process is very simple. Once you click on add to cart, once you click over it, then here you can see view my card, and then pay your payment through your card, debit card or credit card. Then just install this one. You will get all access through Steam. If you love this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I'll catch you in the next video with an interesting topic again.